Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options to Play video update. We all knew at some point there was going to be some profit taking. Things don't go in a straight line. That is an undisputable law of trading of the markets. So when the selling starts, what you really want to do is focus on the key levels, right? Because those are really what going to like dictate whether this is just a minor blip on the path to like higher prices, or is it the start of something more substantial on the downside, right? So Qs, it's been a focus of mine. I'm sure it's been a focus for a lot of you guys. And I mean, really, it has been just so impressive since like the start of June. I mean, end of May, but really the start of June is when it entered this really aggressive uptrend, right? So this green line is the 8-period EMA, all right? And you can see how significant it has been throughout the course of June and the start of July. Multiple dips have all been bought, right? Multiple attempts to break underneath it have all been defended. And I mean, really, that has marked the low on many different occasions. And you can see today got into it again, right? Now, it's not enough to really say that we're going to break. However, it does seem as though we're going to close pretty near it today. And I mean, after some really substantial runs over the past month, the more we test it, the higher the likelihood is that we do eventually lose it and start to maybe roll over a little bit. All right. That doesn't mean that we don't, head higher maybe a few weeks or a month from now. But if we do lose this 8 EMA, I mean, that is the momentum line in the sand. That's when things could really start to get a deeper retracement. And what I'd be looking at would be a move into the 20-day, which is this pink line. All right. So the 8 EMA currently just a little bit above 360. As you can see when I click on it, 360.31. And then the 20-day down closer to like 350, 450. So that opens up a little bit of like a pocket about 5 to 6 points wide where you might see some like more aggressive selling, right? Some more profit taking. Interestingly, this is a couple weeks or actually really only like a week out from earnings. So it could set up some nice opportunities for like some snapback or even some like ramp into the report style trades on some of these leaders. So a pullback's not necessarily a bad thing, right? I mean, as long as you have been positioning and been taking money and have stops in place, if you do get a pullback, it could create some really nice opportunities. All right, so a little dip is not the end of the world, so there's no reason to run for the hills. All right, so as we do get into earnings, swing trades will be a little bit less of a focus, and we'll turn to some earnings style trades. But I mean, I do think that a little bit of a pullback right now could set up some really nice opportunities down the road. All right. So if you like this video and you're looking for more information about swing trading with options or trading earnings with options, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Have a wonderful night. Stay well, and I will talk to you guys all tomorrow.